Greetings everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial video. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set up a benefit fund on Sage Payroll. We'll utilize the tutorial question appearing on the screen to help us guide us through the steps. Before we dive into the lesson, I'd like to mention if you are interested in gaining access to this software, whether be on free usage or a subscription purchase or a physical product purchase, we have a collection of informative blog posts that can provide you with the guidance you need as appearing on the screen. So feel free to engage with this blog post. Firstly, with the free usage or the free trial on Sage Pastel Accounting or Sage Payroll, we have this blog post that is appearing on the screen. If you are interested in experiencing Sage Payroll at no cost, we have this dedicated blog post, or we also have a video. The link has been included just under this particular video on our YouTube channel, which is also included at the end of this very video, which explain how to gain free access and usage of this particular software for a generous 30 days free trial. And rest assured, Sage will never request for your banking details during this free trial, as this is completely free. This is an opportunity for you to evaluate whether Sage Payroll aligns with your payroll management needs. So if you want to go and sign up for the free trial for a period of 30 days, you can go ahead, engage with this particular video, this particular blog post, or there's a video as well that is that we did guiding you on how to go and sign up for the Sage free trial, which the link is also in the description box below. For those considering Sage as their go-to solution for accounting and payroll, we highly recommend checking out this particular blog post right here. This post provides you with valuable insights into securing significant discounts and coupons when purchasing a subscription or a physical product. Say if you purchase or register a subscription through our Sage partner affiliate links, which are just here on the screen, you will notice that we have such massive discount offers through our affiliate links. So if you want to go and purchase a subscription or buy the product, you can engage with this particular blog post and make great savings on your purchase. If there's any purchase also or a subscription that you want with the Sage solutions, you can also drop us a comment and we'll just offer you with the great specials that are there through our affiliate links. In addition to all of these two blog posts that we showed you now, we have a comprehensive blog which has valuable content ranging from how to create a website for free through the free website guides, how to purchase or subscribe to Sage solutions, in making great or huge discounts, savings on your subscription, how to boost your business with TikTok for business, how to go and enroll on Sage University, get certified for free, how to become a Sage champion. All those blog posts are outlined on our blog, and there's also more to our on that blog as well that you can go and assist yourself with. So if this particular blog posts are very valuable to you, we encourage you to connect with our blog community and support our growth by liking, sharing, and commenting on our content. Big thanks in advance. We at IT Plus Accounting Solutions, we love you a lot. Now, without any further delay, let's embark on today's lesson. When you open Sage Payroll for the first time, this is the screen that is going to greet you. So to create the benefit fund, you just need to open the entity that you want to create the fund on, and you'll notice that as per our tutorial question today, we need to go and create this benefit fund on Shopwell Designs Pty Ltd. So on this software, we're going to click on Shopwell and then click on one of the cycles that we want to go and add this particular benefit fund. Once you are on this screen, you're going to click on company and click on set up benefit funds. And then you're going to click on add pension fund or a provident fund, depending on which fund you want to add to your company. In this particular tutorial question, we're going to add a pension fund. So we click on add pension fund. And then we're just going to add the name of our pension fund. So in terms of this, the name of the pension fund is Shopwell Pension Fund. I'm just gonna copy it and paste it there. Now the clearance number, this is the number that was allocated to the pension fund by SARS. We're going to go there. This is the number. We're going to just copy it and also put it right there. And then now we go into the contribution setup. On the description, the pension fund can have various contribution options. For example, 100% employer contribution based on fixed salary, or 50% employee, 50% employer based on actual salary plus commission, for example. So here, you're just going to enter a description for this pension fund to help you easily recognize when you are linking your employees to this particular fund. So according to our tutorial question, it says we need to go and add wood and cabinets pension fund. So we're just going to copy it and paste it right there as well. And then on the percentage and a fixed amount, you need to go and select whether this pension fund is going to be based on a percentage or a fixed amount. So with the percentage calculation, you select the percentage calculation if the contributions are based on payroll earnings, and you select the fixed amount if the contributions are based on fixed values advised per employee. If the fixed amount is selected, then none of the calculation based on settings needs to be defined. So in terms of our tutorial question, we're going to select the percentage calculation. So we're going to leave it right there on percentage calculation. And then now we move forward. It says the calculation will be based on. So here you're going to enter the amount the contribution must be based and must be entered on each employee's benefit details view of their payslip that is linked to this pension fund. So we're just going to add okay, so it says here you need to go and select the specific earnings. So I'll just go through all of these three options just for you to get an understanding of what all of this means and when do you select specific earnings, percentage of specific earnings, or the fixed pensionable earnings amount. So with the fixed pensionable amount, this is the amount of the contribution. The amount of the contribution will be based and will be entered on each employee's benefit details, as we already alluded to that. And then with the percentage of specific earnings, this will be a percentage that is based on a specific earnings, e.g. it might be, let's say 50% of the basic salary. That's where our pension contributions will be based on. With the specific earnings, for this one, you're going to select the earnings that your pension fund will be based on. For example, it might be basic salary. This will be the full amount instead of the percentage of specific earnings. So that's the difference between the two. So in terms of our tutorial question, we're going to select specific earnings as our option. And then now with the calculation based on option, we're also going to just enter the basic salary there. So it will be based on the basic salary actual. So this is, remember, the earnings that our contribution will be based on. Then we go to the contribution type. The contribution type has to be what? The defined contribution. And if you click on the drop down arrow, you will notice that you have the defined contribution, you have the defined benefit fund, and you have the hybrid fund. Now, what is the difference between all of these three options? So with the DC, this is for which contribution can be directly linked to the retirement benefit. So with this option, the contribution can be directly linked to the retirement benefit that the member is entitled to. With the defined benefit fund now, this is a fund for which the fund rules will specify based on a formula that determines employees' retirement benefit value. With the hybrid fund just combines the two, which is the defined contribution and the defined benefit. How do you determine which contribution type you must select in this case when you're adding or creating your benefit funds on Sage Payroll? So this will be based on the rules of the retirement benefit. So you will notice that as per the fund rules, there will be the retirement benefit for the payout that is calculated, or the approach. This would be based on the fund rules to see how the retirement payout is calculated. Or instead, you can approach the fund administrator or the trustees for some clarity. So based on our tutorial question, we're going to say defined benefit fund. With the category factor now, the category factor is only available if the defined benefit or hybrid fund has been selected as a contribution type. So So as defined benefit fund has been selected as the contribution fund in this case, we're going to have our category factor. So the category factor, as I've already alluded, is only available for the defined benefit fund and the hybrid fund selected as a contribution type. So as per our tutorial question, we can see that we don't have the category factor. As you can see there on the screen, it says this is the fund member category factor as provided by the fund on the contribution certificate. So that's where you're going to obtain this particular value right here. So in this case, I'm just going to put any percentage so that we can move on. So now on this two fields, which is the employee contribution and the employer contribution, this is self-explanatory. You're just going to insert the percentages which the employee will be contributing and the percentage that the company will be contributing. So in our tutorial question, it says 5% each. Once you are done, you're just going to click on save your fund, and you'll notice that there is a confirmation right here that this has been saved, right? So this marks the end of our tutorial video today. If this video was informative and valuable to you, we kindly request your support in helping us grow by liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing our content. By doing so, you will be enabling us to continue providing you with more insightful tutorial videos. Thank you for being part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in our future tutorial videos. Until next time.
Trying to scale your small business? This is how TikTok ads can help you. TikTok makes it easier than ever to make attention-grabbing ads that actually reach new potential buyers. So go and reach your business goals and check out TikTok ads for yourself today.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe.